These top 5, the best Karens getting instant karma. At number 5, he threw a tantrum and made an absolute clown of himself in the middle of the street. At number 4, she got completely roasted and laughed at by a random guy on the street.
Police are right here. We are able to ask questions.
And I'm able to not answer you. You know how the First Amendment works?
At number 3, he just loves starting fights with strangers who are minding their own business.
My fault? No, I got manners. I just didn't want to bother y'all. You know, some people don't want to be on camera.
It's cool, I'm just saying.
Hey, let's do that. Let's redo that again. Let's redo that again. Come on, let's do that. Yo, can I pass through? I ain't trying to bother y'all. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. Y'all be safe, bro.
At number 2, he completely lost his mind and violently attacked random people. Crazy.
Get arrested? You're gonna get arrested for assault on a civilian.
Is he pressing charges against me? Like for breach?
Yes.
Like because I yelled at him and stuff?
For assault, because you hit him.
Saying that I did it.
He has video that you hit him.
I've been doing this job for almost 25 years. He's saying that I hit him.
Yes. And he has the red mark on his face.
And there's nothing where I can press for a breach of peace for him yelling at me, whatever it is, or...
I've seen the video, so
Yeah.
I know he didn't yell at you.
At number 1, too many drinks led to a massive, embarrassing faceplant right inside the bar.